This tutorial describes some facets of the crystal builder. The crystal builder can be used to build crystals, sample crystals for example. If we choose sodium chloride, we can then decide to make this a 3 by 3 by 3 crystal, send this back to HyperChem, and what we get is a crystal in HyperChem here. Let's turn on the display for overlapping spheres a little bit to see it slightly differently. So there's a crystal built with HyperChem. If one wants, one could merge in another molecule, choose caffeine or something, and one could then say select this. Well, we go up and we select molecules, select this, and go and move it around and put it on top of the crystal or next to the crystal or whatever, and do absorption or adsorption studies. So that's building a sample crystal. Let's next look at building a molecular crystal of our own, and let's go back to sticks rendering and build a benzene molecule here. So here's benzene, and let's make a crystal of benzene. So we bring up the crystal builder, and we go and get this molecule. This is a separate module here, so we have to go get the molecule from HyperChem, bring it in here, and now we can decide what kind of crystal to build. I'm not really sure what the unit cell in benzene is, but let's assume it's hexagonal for some reason, and then we can put some numbers here like 6 angstroms and 8 angstroms, say, and then send this back, or choose the size of the crystal, do a 4 by 4 by 4 for example, send this back to HyperChem, and now we'll have a crystal of benzene. So one can build molecular crystals, atomic crystals. One also has the options of reading in a file from the Cambridge Crystal database and using molecules from there. But that's the basics of the crystal builder.